industrial policy, what industrial policy basically means is where you are from the government side, you are able to coordinate and collaborate with. You're able to get different ministries and therefore different policies. So if you think of, for example, tax policy, land policy, energy policy, fertilizer policy, extension policy, and so on and so forth, there are many policies, and these various policies sit in different parts of government, different ministries, different departments. And so, but agriculture transformation and agro-processing depend on the private sector, not on government, right? But the private sector require these things to be in place, right? They need to access seed, and they need to access fertilizer, and they need water, and they need roads, and they need rural electrification, and they need access to markets and access to finance. But on the government side now, unless the government adopts at the highest level of government, whether it's at state level or national, federal level, at the highest level, this agri-industrial policy, they are really unable to coordinate these different policies, energy, fertilizer, access to finance, seeds, land, etc., around the needs of the private sector. And when we say private sector, we're including farmers, smallholder farmers, medium and large. We're including aggregators. We're including, transport companies. We're including seed and fertilizer companies, agro dealers, all of those. Key thing is when you're able to bring the two together, the sort of more pioneering, dynamic private sector on the one hand, and also the government and public, not just government, because you also have other, public non-state actors like research and so on. When you're able to bring the two together to focus and to problem solve around the most, we call them binding constraints, right? The biggest, most pressing challenges that are undermining the ability of the sector to transform